Hi, I'm Yashwanth. Welcome to the Geeks for Geeks. In this video, I'm going to suggest you the top 10 machine learning projects that one can took up in 2021. So the projects that I will suggest in this video can be useful for 5-year projects, or you can use them for building your resume or portfolio, whatever you can do. So having a project on machine learning can really highlight your resume when compared to others. So yeah, let's start the video. So the number one in the list is face recognition. So face recognition is something that you see in your everyday life. So you can see that in your mobile cam, or you can see them in security cameras. You can see everywhere. So face recognition is something that is getting a lot of hype over the couple of years. You can build that model. You can find face recognition models everywhere in the internet. So just search for face detection and recognition model. So you will get many projects. You can take up that project and try to build your own model and try to wrap something about that face detection and recognition model. So that really helps you because it is a future, and you can done that using a library called OpenCV that is smart and a most popular computer vision library. And second in the list is object detection model. So self-driving cars are really getting popular nowadays. So whether it might be because of Tesla or whatever it is. So self-driving cars, and the basic principle that lies behind self-driving cars is object detection. So initially the cameras need to detect what are the objects that are floating in the camera. So that is where it starts. So in order to build an object detection model, you again need OpenCV. Now also you need a Python library called TensorFlow. You can also do the same with PyTorch. So it is also the same. So you need some data sets for this. So there are various data sets like Flickr 8K, Flickr 30K, and MS Coco. So you can use any of the data set to train your model and build your own object detection model. On the top of it, you can make some customization and you can create your own model on that. And number three in the list is recommendation system. So nowadays recommendation systems are something that every social media or every enterprise is targeting for, because it recommends the right one to the user. Then ultimately they will increase their productivity. So try to build a recommendation system on your own. It might be movie recommendation system for movie lovers. You can suggest them this model, and yeah, you can choose any of the domain to target and build your own recommendation system. And for building in a movie recommendation system, you need a data set called IMDb that is open source, and you will get that to the internet. So this is one best project area that I can suggest. And number four in the list is personality detection. So personality detection can be used in areas where marketing is required. So if people need to decide whether the person is going to buy their product or not, then in those cases, if you have a personality detection model in your hand, it is easy to predict so whether the person is going to buy or not. There are various open source data sets available in the internet. Just go to GitHub or just Google it for personality recommendation data sets. So you will get some data sets in which it contains like the age of the person, the interest that they show, like the domain that a person is working. So you will take up something like this, and you can also try building your own model based on your own knowledge. If you're taking to find whether the person is going to buy a product or not, you need few characteristics like the age of the person and the area the person is working and the smartphones the person is using now. You can also do that by simply collecting data using a Google form or something. So it is how you can build from scratch, and it is a good choice to take up as a final year project because it ultimately helps you in real time. And number five in the list is Bitcoin price prediction. So Bitcoin is a hot cake nowadays. Like everyone is talking about Bitcoin. The reason is the price of Bitcoin is going tremendously high. So, but it is difficult to predict like whether the price of Bitcoin will increases or decreases in the coming future. So it is difficult because there are no clues left behind to predict what actually the price of Bitcoin will be. So if you can build a Bitcoin price detection model using machine learning, it will definitely help. So you can use algorithms like SVM decision tree to do the same, and you will get Bitcoin data sets everywhere in the internet. Just try to search for like Bitcoin price chart or Bitcoin price data sets. You will get plenty, and you will take up one and try to build a model. So if you can do that successfully, then ultimately you can build your own enterprise. Number six in the list is fake news detection. So fake news is something that is very hard to stop, But if you try to build a model on your own using machine learning to stop the fake news, that will be really helpful. So for that, you need some data sets. So you can also collect data sets from Twitter. There is a data set for like Twitter fake news detection, WhatsApp fake news detection. You will get everything. So again, these data sets are all open source. The projects that I am going to suggest in this video are all open source. You can get them everywhere in the internet. Just try to download them, download data sets, and try to build your own model. That is the way you can improve actually. So yeah, try to build this model. And it is simple. So you need natural language processing for that. So to classify real news and fake news, once you classify real news and fake news, it is easy to say whichever the news is fake or real. So it is also one great project suggestion for final year project, as well as a project for your resume. So the next project is similar to that, but it is a review classification. So whatever it is, it might be a product review or a movie review, or the reviews that you will get for selling your products, whatever it is. So it is also comes under natural language processing. You need sentiment analysis for that. So based on the terms like polarity and subjectivity, so you can find out whether the review that the customer has dropped out is positive, negative, or neutral. So in this way, you can directly tell the enterprises that yeah, you need to work on this project to improve your product ratings in this kind of manner. So you can also take some courses, online courses. You can also work on them, like online course review classification, so that you can tell them exactly like how good the course is. So in the similar way, you will get various data sets. So try searching for Twitter sentiment analysis data set. You will get many data sets with that name. So you can do that easily. And number 8 in the list is emotion detection from faces. So it is something which is done using neural networks. So it is a deep learning project. So with the help of this emotion detection model, you can build your own model which detects the facial expressions of a particular person. So whether he's happy, sad, angry, so, or whatever it is. So you can use libraries like TensorFlow to build this model. So it uses your webcam to detect your face. The first step, it need to detect the face. For that, you need OpenCV, a computer vision library of Python. And after that, you need TensorFlow to train your model. And you need to tell your model that whether the person is happy, sad, or what. So you can find various emotion detection data sets in the internet again. And once your model is trained, it is ready to detect faces through the webcam. So it is how it works. It is also a great project suggestion if you want to start. And number 9 in the list is optimized road route prediction. So traffic problems are everywhere. So in advanced countries like India, so you will see like various traffic problems. Even Google Maps sometimes fail to suggest you the best possible route. So if you can try to build a model based on using some traffic data sets, so take up SCT and try to get some data sets. So again, you will get data sets in the internet. Just try to suggest the best route for the person on the particular time. So just do some visualizations and analysis on like in a particular weekday the roads will be clear. If you get to find that, so you will ultimately suggest a best route which is optimized. It is a way that you can reduce the traffic problems in your city. So it is also a great project suggestion. And the last one I am going to suggest is handwritten classifier. So handwritten character classifier is something like it converts the handwritten text into digital text. So it was nothing like you use some apps like some scanner apps to just capture whatever you write in your paper, and that will be converted as a digital text. So it is similar to that. So try to build a model which detects what you write in the paper and converts that into a digital text. It will also help people to bypass their homeworks. So yeah, you can also build that, and you can build some advanced topovers on that. So yeah, these are all the 10 top machine learning projects that one can take up. These projects will definitely boost your resume. And if you want to get these projects, you will get every project in the internet, whether it might be a course online, or whether it might be a GitHub project. You will get anywhere in the internet. So try picking one of the project and work on in your engineering. So it will really help you to get a good job, I can say, because machine learning projects will always stood up when compared to other projects. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding the projects that I have mentioned in the video, please drop your query in the comment section. I will get back to you. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.